Man say you them take him gun, license firearm holder.
Oh.
The man with dead.
Mm-hmm.
Some of them license firearm.
So what they do? How they do?
Nobody know you know we hear a one shot boy and run out, but
Yeah.
a one shot a head shot.
Yeah.